All right, here we are working on the Mercedes again. So, Zach already threw this thing on here, and man, it looks crazy because this hasn't had something there in such a long time. So that's definitely cool. That little hole right there, it's actually a screw down in there. You're not gonna be able to see it here because of the lighting. There's a screw that goes on top of the fuel distribution block, and our buddy at the Mercedes farm was explaining to us that that's how you know, adjust your fuel, whatever. He said do not touch that, so we're not gonna touch it, and I'm pretty sure it's already been touched. Okay, so looking down here, way down here, that's the bracket that pulley mounts to, but there's a secondary bracket that comes off of it, I believe, because there's two belt lines here. There's the inner belt, the outer belt. There's supposed to be two pulleys. We only have one of said pulleys, so we will have to get that bracket off of him. But from what we understand, that's just for AC. Not using that. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Shit. All right, up and at 'em. I am going to close the hood all the way. I'm gonna install that guy. That is our new, clean and updated version of that guy. Blech. Sketchy. But we're using jack stands, so that makes it less weird, right? Should be enough. Should be enough room for me to get up under here. There you go. That goes there. This attaches right here. Now I just gotta figure out which side I'm doing first. We'll see. Oh man, I hope I don't get no crap on my friggin'. Oh, that fits, boys. I was worried about that not fitting. Now, this has to snake on up here. Somehow. Can I do it with one hand? I guess I fucking can, dude. Oh shit, that thread's in too. If you're wondering why I'm surprised that this is working, is because 230s are extremely hard to find parts for because they weren't offered here in the United States, as we've talked about pretty freaking often here. Now, with these not being available here in the States, it makes getting parts a lot harder because they're not, you know, easily to find, even through Euro-specific sources. They're pretty hard parts to find, pretty hard cars to find parts for, if I could talk while I'm working. And I had to order this, and it actually, I believe, is for a 190, but luckily it freaking works, dude. Let's see here. Are you the right size? No, you're not. I think I'm holding the right size for that. So what we're gonna do is use one that's a little bigger. Yeah, that'll work. Which way's tight again? That's tight enough for me. That's tight? Tight enough for me. We'll see if fuel leaks out. I'm getting out of here. Getting real fucking out of here. So, let's take a look at the work we've done. Brand new fuel line. So freaking thrilled. Sick. That's worked out. So we got fuel, we got air. I gotta go get some gas. I'm about to drive. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. In a video coming soon. Alright, so wanted to wait on Zach to try to start it. Also, I forgot that there's probably still gas in it. So he's gonna jump in there. Keys in it?
Yep.
There's a wheel chock. Where's the battery?
You said it was in it, bitch.
We do it like it's in the car, not in the hood. I found it.
Found it. Hey, my lights went off.
Yeah, they did. Have you ever noticed that having a YouTube channel is basically just describing where you keep all your good shit?
Yeah.
Fuel pump on?
It is now. I think the battery's dead.
Hold on. It's running, it ain't leaking. Is it dead?
Yeah, battery's dead.
God dang it. Alright, well, stay tuned tomorrow. This fucking thing all the time. Just pull it up. Keep going.
Oh shit, is this
It's never done that before you touched it.
Oh, I think I just broke it. Oh no, I didn't. Did I?
I think it's just loose. Watch out.
Oh, you got the intake on?
Yeah, we put that on that day.
Did you record it?
We put it on that day. There we go. Start
Here's
it.
the intake.
Oh yeah, I already did that part though.
You already did?
Yeah.
Well,
I did that when I put the fuel line on.
You did the fuel line too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this is gonna be a good video.
Alright. I've never actually started this or sat inside this starting it before.
Okay, well,
First time.
you don't have to hold the clutch for some reason. So just get in there and crank her. I think the battery's probably gonna be pretty dead.
Is this box?
Oh, that's my spinners. Please don't step on those.
The floor is caving.
Oh yeah, don't step there. Try to avoid that.
Dude, are you serious?
What? Oh. He's gonna try to start this real quick. I think the battery's dead.
No clutch?
Yeah, you don't have to. Fuel switch over there on the left. Yep.
Pull it out.
No, just no.
That's e-brake.
Yeah, push the e-brake. Push the e-brake down, right there with your foot. There you go. Do you see a switch hanging out of the dash? A switch.
Yeah.
Switch it on. Fuel, go. Start. Battery's dead. Okay. Turn the fuel off. Turn that off. I would not want to live in a place where it's cold all the fucking time, specifically for battery troubles. Says we're up to 14.3, try to start it. Fuel first, then start. Make sure it's out of gear too. Crank her. Oh, really? I don't think this thing's right. This fool starts it without anybody like paying attention. It just scared the crap out of my kid. My dog's barking. Okay. Try again, buddy.
Alright, here we go.
Hold on, Luca.
I'm here, Lucky. Close your ears.
It's probably out of gas now.
Oh, I forgot to hit the switch.
Oh. Yeah, you have to pump it a couple times now.
I'm gonna let it sit for a sec.
Okay.
I think I'm giving it too much gas.
Yeah, don't give it gas when you start it. You don't need to. Battery again. Okay, so we failed to remember that this battery is like 7 years old and we don't have an alternator belt. So like, that is as much as it's gonna get started. And we definitely need to get the welder here so I can start doing some exhaust things and make it not so loud. Come on. Come on. You're the reason we have holes in the floor, you know that?
It's like forming. It's like metal. It's my own like metal fab techniques.
Oh yeah? You scared of batteries?
Idiot. Scared of batteries as your kid is gonna be of this car.
Just put that back there in the bed of the truck there.
Well, on that bombshell, we'll end this episode. Thanks for watching. DefinitelyNotMechanics.com. Get you some sweet merch. It might be scrolling here. It's not.
Why do you always wear your hat kind of crooked?
Because I just... Bam.
I don't like the aesthetic you're giving this channel.
Oh, God.
Appreciate y'all watching this video. We're gonna get a belt and figure out what else we need and try to make this thing a little bit quieter. And
This truck.
look, we're filming on video, buddy.
Yeah, man.
What's
That's
this?
kind of rude. We're trying to record. Hey.
Ford?
Ford? Yes. Yes. Yes, it is a Ford. How did you know that? He said a Ford.
He said it's a Ford.
He said a Ford. Things I can't do. A Ford. You get it? You got it? Alright, so I guess we're actually gonna stop filming this episode because it's been going on too long and this is as far as we've gotten. We're gonna get a belt for the alternator and then charge the battery some more. We're gonna get a different battery. And what are you guys doing back there?
Where is Luca?
Just buy some of our merch. Definitely not mechanics.com.
Later.